Jesus put Satan to shame. That's why we must be born again.
Must be born again.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I love you so.
Lord, I just want to see you. I want to hold your hands and be with you in heaven. Satan is giving me a fight, but heaven is my destination, and I am striving. Longing to see you, King Jesus. I'm so glad I surrender my life. You're my Lord and you're my King, and I am fine. But it doesn't matter what you do now, Jesus' love for you will never ever change. Help me big up King Jesus now, because
He shed His blood.
so everybody should reject this world and worship Him. Loving you, for loving you. Don't you know Jesus shed His blood? So everybody should reject this world and worship Him. Loving you, for loving you. I read that scripture in my Bible, that this world is full of sin, shame and disgrace. Doesn't matter what you do now, Jesus' love for you, it still remains the same. Tell me big up King Jesus now, because
He shed His blood.
everybody should reject this world and worship Him. Loving you, for loving you. Don't you know Jesus shed His blood? Everybody should reject this world and worship Him. Loving you, for loving you. Come and say, everything was created by the Almighty One. And if you think I like go read Genesis 1, that the book tell you about the creation, tell you how God made the first human, put him in the garden and call him Adam. Then after that God made the woman. Never know the woman was made for the man, never know the man was made for the woman. But the one thing Brother Kenny cannot understand, come and let us reason, we are all human. What is John doing with Donovan, and what is Susan doing with Sharon? These kind of things is abomination. These kind of things is not right, it is wrong. And Christ is solid rock I stand. All the other ground is sinking sand. Come fi teach you right, me not teach you no wrong. Come fi teach the man, me come fi teach the woman. Come fi teach the big and the smaller one. And Christ is solid. Say, don't you know, Lord, I just wanna see you. Wanna hold your hands and be with you in heaven. Tell me big up King Jesus now, because Jesus shed His blood. Everybody should reject this world and worship Him. For loving you, for loving you. Don't you know Jesus shed His blood? Everybody should reject this world and worship Him.